I'm just going to show you a simple recipe for making a nice summer smoothie. All it is strawberries, bananas, and then either chocolate low-fat milk or chocolate soy milk or chocolate coconut milk or whatever you want to be your cold liquid, all right? First, I'm just going to cut up these strawberries. I also like to break up some nice ripe bananas into ice cube sized pieces. Right now, everything I'm using is at room temperature. If I had planned ahead, I could have broken up all these pieces, washed the strawberries, and freeze them. But we can refrigerate them after this anyway. So right now I'm going to use 3 bananas and all these strawberries. Now I'm going to add some chocolate low-fat milk. This way I get some delicious flavor, but not too fat, all right? So put some of that. I also like to add some cold water that I refrigerated, so it's actually extra cold. All right, here we go. I blend it at a low setting. In every movie I've ever seen with a blender, they shake it. You ever notice that? There you go. If you want, you can pulse it. Do yourself a favor, keep your hand on top of the blender so it doesn't splash all over the room. Trust me, keep your hand on the top of that blender. That looks good. You could throw some ice cubes in there and get a lot of chopped ice mixed in with it. That's your choice. I'm not going to do that right now because as a bonus, I'm going to show you how to make smoothie pops. So exactly what we just did, I'm going to pour into these smoothie pop containers, and then you put it in the freezer. And once they're frozen, you'll have smoothie pops of this mixture, okay? So here we go. You can cap them up, throw these in the freezer, and we'll have smoothie pops, all right? Now, I'll throw some ice cubes in here for what I'm going to drink right now. But meanwhile, this can go right in the freezer. I'm going to throw some ice cubes right in the blender to make that even colder. It makes a racket! Let's try it. That is good. But if you don't mind preparing a day ahead of time, you can cut your bananas into ice cube size pieces. I'm using like 3 or 4 bananas here. And we'll put them in a freezer bag. And then we'll freeze them overnight. Same thing with the strawberries. After I wash the strawberries in cold water and cut the tops off, I froze those as well. So now when it's smoothie time the next day, instead of needing ice at all, I can use the frozen bananas, frozen strawberries, the chocolate almond milk. And then I also add a little just cold refrigerated water. I think it goes a long way in making it more refreshing and a little bit more diluted. And we blend it up nice. Don't forget to shake that blender like they do in the movies. And then we'll try it. All right, moment of truth. Oh, that's good. Oh, I think I just froze my throat. Okay, I'm going to go seek the medical attention that I need, and I'll see you next time on Fast and Easy Recipes.